Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use the replace feature right in our Microsoft Word. Yes. So, for instance, you have a sentence, I have a word, I want to replace it. I'm going to show you exactly how you use that particular feature because a lot of persons are familiar with that particular feature. So, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually use that particular feature right in Microsoft Word. All right, so as you can see right here, this itself is our Microsoft Word document right up here. So, I wanted to change John to Brown. Or can we replace that without we actually delete our backspace? Right, so we're going to go up to the top. The top right here is known as the tab. So we're going to click right here on Home tab. And when you click on Home tab, you're going to go all the way here with the editing right here. So if you notice right up at top here, the third one, second one that said replace, you're going to click on that. Now when you click on replace, you notice it bring up this icon here. So if I put the cursor right here, along left side of the mouse, the touchpad, I can actually drag it to put it exactly where I want. Just like that. If you notice up here, it's a find, it's a replace to, it's a width, replace. If you notice right here is to replace, replace all next and cancel. So in this particular section, I want to replace the word John. So you're going to type John. Right? So find John. So I want to replace it with, alright. No. We're going to place, click right here, say replace. Why? Because only one name will actually. So if you're in an entire paragraph where you want to change your word, you'd have said next, fine, right? So I'm going to click on replace. Now click on replace and click it again. Alright, if you notice, you are finished. Well, if you notice what here, you notice brown. So when you finish, you can click right here and click on close. Alright, so if you notice, it actually changed. Somebody might not familiar with that particular feature. So thanks for watching. So remember to share, like, and also subscribe. See you in the next video.